everyone, good morning. This is another day, another adventure here in Samal Island. For today's video guys, it's actually our day 3. Day 3 na no? It's day 3 because it's Sunday. We're headed to Davao City for a quick city tour. Time check, it's already 10:06 in the morning. And shout out pala sa mga nagzuzumba kanina. Y'all did a great job!
If you see this, that was us.
Shout out to you guys. Dito sa Manawari. Yan, sasakay kami ng tricycle. Papuntang Sasaport. Sasaport?
Sa Samal?
Samal Port pala. Samal Port to Sasaport.
Yes.
And nakapag-hire na po kami ng van driver. Or taxi ba yun? Taxi ba yung sinakay natin, no? Taxi driver, and he's gonna give us a quick tour of Davao. On the way guys, I'll give you an update once we get there. See you then. Dumating na po kami dito sa Davao City and we're at Sasa Port. Si Nina Jomar na doon na sa unahan. Sorry.
Una lang mo, nag-CR.
Una lang.
Unaan mo.
Ay, nalak man.
Nalak?
Nalak.
Hindi nalak, uy.
Yeah, din na ma-open niya.
Na, let's go.
Thank you, Chief.
Yes, excuse. Tay, excuse ka ng 24 hours ni Berino. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Na-miss ang driver. Wala pa.
Ay, no, boy. Yun siya, padung na po siya. Pasong na doon siya. Basig na anak. Eh, akong tuginan. Kinugay kayo mo na nga tulog. Akong gimubukten. Kita ka sa mo, Anis? Oo, pag 4. Hindi ka tama ba kayo? Hindi ko.
Oh, tubig kami, tubig, tamis, tubig, tubig, tubig. Oy, madam, taxi madam.
Ano siya?
Oh, tubig, iwato.
Paglabas niya dito sa port, meron ng mga jeepney na nakatambay. We're currently looking for our service.
Anong meron dyan? This you.
Anong pagkain dyan?
Pag una ka sa pagsaysay, kaya ganahan ako mukhaon.
Ang spelling sa Sasa?
S-A-S-A. Ay, bright.
Name jud na or nanay meaning per letter?
Name dyan ang saksa man na, dili man na sasa.
Sasa.
Company man na siya.
Company ni.
Company name.
Uy, dili, uy, lugar na. Taga-saksa.
May masab, mema ka lang ha?
Memo lang. Hihintay po kami ng service namin. Sabi ni Kuya, he's still on the way. 10:50 na. Akala ko alas 10.
Akala nga niya alas 8.
Ayan, nandun na po si Kuya. Sean! Excited ka naman, Sean!
Tony?
Mo bitaw ni. Kumatamag same. Same? Go Chad. Same seating arrangement.
Ito na po yung service namin. Init.
Saan tayo, Jomar?
Sa akong sa taon na niya, sa katong.
Ramon Magsaysay Park.
Sa magsaysay ba?
Wala pa man may baon.
Ako naman yun.
Naman. Ay, dahil pagkaon sa dito. Kamay ka na lang sa magsaysay, di ba?
Currently, and fruits and... Nada eh? Okay. So yung ko rin.
Ito itong inyong gingon na bulalo.
Doon yun sa may People's Park.
Bulalo, oy.
Doon yun sa may People's Park.
Maghapon, magbulalo.
Alamig man daw ilang bulalo.
Dumating na po kami dito sa Ramon Magsaysay Park and we just bought some durian. Kumakain na si Jomar.
Ilang kilo? 200. Yung durian. 250.
So try na natin yung durian. Did you try the durian? How is it?
Sweet siya. Kanina tong D101.
We are going to try the durian dito sa Ramon Magsaysay Park.
Chinatown. Oh, dapat siya.
The color of the durian is orange. This is orange or yellow?
Yellow orange. Yellow pa?
Anong color to? Yellow, orange?
Yellow?
Yellow pala. Pero parang orange siya. Kasi naka-glasses ako. Matamis siya.
Nagtaon ako durian doon.
Yan, parang uubusin na namin yung durian. Meron pa ba?
Ani?
And we're pairing it with
Ang durian
Coke.
lang.
What is going on? Bakit ang busy talaga ng mga tao dito? Everyone's fighting over us, Charlie.
Pwede mag-durian Coke.
Ay, bumaba ang artista?
Yung malit na buto. Kasi ito parang malaki yung buto niya.
Yung kapitbahay namin ng Muslim bro, makapal yung durian na binibigay nila sa akin.
Heart like yung texture.
I forgot. Basta ano, makapal.
Makapal. At maliit lang yung buto.
Sim-sim lang.
You better try yung durian dito sa Ramon Magsaysay Park. And also try their pink pomelo. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. This one. Masarap siya. Sweet. And let's try the pomelo. Yung pink pomelo. And I think the price is okay naman yung pricing nila dito, di ba? Kung price pala ng durian per kilo is 250 and then yung pomelo is 150. Yeah. Ito po yung store nila guys, let's go in. Dito po sa labas may nagbebenta at naka-display na pink pomelos.
Pero pwede natin magpalitan nino.
Mangosteen.
Backstop sudan na to sa prasa.
And
Resort. Okay, para di mo ni mausaw.
yung durian.
Plastic lang na to. Matagakan ka.
Tagakan ko doon ha. Pero kung kita mga...
Wait lang.
So let's go inside.
Where's mine? Uy, ginahan ko ani. I like this one. Agay, kasakit.
3 for 100 namin is. Mga 20.
Kani siya, pila ni?
Naman dito ang tindi.
Kagana ko, palit ani.
Magnet.
Yeah.
Ito pa yung mga durian jelly.
Ang kining na jam? Jelly? Pero
Yeah,
kanina,
jelly durian jam.
kuha ni siya sa...
It's only for 200 pesos. Meron siyang iba't ibang mga brand. Ito sa Mimco, Andrew, Ellis, Durian. 3 for 100. Meron silang mango siya, no? Mango, mangosteen,
Yatay na ako kay auntie.
Davao, Philippines,
Yema.
Davao,
Sila man yung yema, kanina ko.
chains.
Sinakada ko nga 400 ma'am.
Ayan si Miss, bumibigyan sila ng mga pasalubong.
Kasi kanina ay pila ni.
150.
And over here, Durian candies na naman. Ito na yung mga nabili nila. The durian. More durian. Mangosteen. I will give you an update once we're done here because we're still purchasing a couple of stuff. Let's go!
So when I go, so when I go,
Kilala mo siya,
so when I go, I know you follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it natural.
Just a quick update. Numating na po yung pagkain namin. This is our snack for the day. We have the tuna sandwich. Meron na siyang tomato, lettuce, cheese, and some Propic. This is the snack. And also, it comes along with the orange juice. And let's ask Christian Malare, kamusta naman yung sandwich nila? Is it worth
Sandwich.
it? The tuna sandwich.
It's sandwich.
It's sandwiching.
Yes.
Ikaw, Jones, kamusta yung sandwich?
Ano sa sandwich niyo?
Naganda siya mo pala.
Oh, choose your poison.
Charot.
Water or juice?
Lagi ako juice lang ihapon.
The poison.
The poison.
It's not enough, so
It's never enough.
it's not enough. Yeah. So, wala jud siya ikwan. Scripted lang ni siya, so okay lang siya. Naman sad,
How's the sandwich,
huwag
bitch?
mo akong ginugulo. I
How's
hate
the
you.
sandwich?
Ingay mo.
How's the sandwich?
Tabi kayo ni
How's the sandwich? Dapat doon ka sa likod.
Masarap yung
Dapat doon ka sa likod later.
Dapat dun ka sa likod.
No, bitch, no. Dito na po kami tatambay muna. And we're gonna eat our snacks since we're not gonna be availing the activities. Dito lang kami tatambay until... What time na ba? It's already 1:06 in the afternoon na. And we're just gonna enjoy this snack. We'll see you in a bit, guys. Let's eat. Nandito kami ngayon sa my playground area. Kakatapos lang namin kumain doon sa my cafe nila. We had our sandwich. And now we're here taking photos and just enjoying the view.
Mura ang huna-huna ba kusog kaayo no. Niya ang kwande ay body kay no.
Don't do it.
Kumutingog pala yung gagawin mo ingon na daan. Hoy pagpuyo.
This is the playground. And doon po kami galing kanina, doon sa may cafe. So ito na po yung daanan papuntang...
Okay din.
Ay, nice dira, Joms. Okay man.
Ang sa akong pusing siya.
Video.
Bisag unsa. O dira ka.
Stricto sa photographer.
O dili, tas kayo ko day.
I know.
Oh man.
Ay, ana?
Ano ba?
Get? Ana? Ang sa dili?
Mo ana ka mo mag-exercise, oy.
Ana? Di ba dalag ko?
Ay, yung usa lang.
Pero wag instruct.
Ano lang, murag
Mulingi ko nimo.
pag mag-ingon nakalingi. Wala ka nilingig diri doy.
Mulingi!
Ay bobo.
Follow lang ko sa instruction. Unya.
Pag akong reference na wala, wait. Picture na lang girl. Asay kon diri.
Unsa portrait?
Portrait.
Diri oh.
Ah, okay.
We've seen the playground, we've seen the cafe, we've seen the buffet, we've seen the zoo with the deer
me.
My dear.
and some peacocks. Mostly yung mga nakita namin for the meantime are white peacocks.
Because there's a lot that we haven't checked
Yeah.
out yet.
Since we're not gonna do some activities,
Water activities over there. There's also land activities like horseback riding. I don't know where is it, but it's somewhere here, guys.
I wanna know where the view, yung parang overlooking, meron ba? I think meron.
May zip man sila, so for sure.
Meron yung sila
Meron.
overlooking, no?
Did you hear it?
Mukha mo kuyab. 1, 2, 3. Di isa na aman jud mo dira. Diri ko. Diri.
fresh ha. Chan, ali, Chan!
3, 2, 1.
Sige daw, day. Sige daw. Pusing daw. Wala, ginokulord.
Ilag bully ba?
Ikaw, Chan, wala kang picture, Chan. We have to take a picture.
Picture na magdumay mo kamera.
Kapag kang forest na.
Kamo duha, oy. Dira,
Nang ko'y picture.
3, 2, 1.
Ano? Ano gisakyan mo nimo si Andrew? Sakay siya kay Andrew.
Daw, Chan. Oh my God.
Sakay siya kay Andrew.
Katong kanina kami survey.
Oh, ganda ha. Gibidiyohan ako siya.
Chan, tawagin mo na yung sister mo. One, smile. Smile. Isa pa. Unfortunately, we're not gonna go to the fishing area dito sa my Eden Park because we didn't have admission. It's still
We're going to SM ba? Ano?
1:53 pa lang. Early pa.
Ha?
1:53, mag-alas 2.
So, mag-second spot pa ta.
Ansa? O gani, multi-second and third spot. Actually. So we have to go now. We have to.
Pat saan? Doon sa SM na?
Ha?
SM or
Hindi mo
where?
yan sa spot.
Yes, ano na ang kwan?
Asa ta People's Parks yung?
People, oh, pwede din. Or doon sa may church. Malapit naman yun doon.
Ah, hindi ka pala gigit na.
Para makita ang beauty. The beauty of Tacloban.
Oh, at least may 100 shots ka.
The one true gem.
Asa tawag Crocodile Park?
Pwede din. Pero I don't know kung malapit siya dito. Malapit ba yung Crocodile Farm dito, Chan?
No?
Chan, oo. Success. Revenge. Napagod yung kasama natin. Rin the fresh.
Yeah. Mas fresh ito sa fresh lumpia or vegetable lumpia?
Shanghai.
Or Shanghai?
Flowers. Musta naman Sir Jake ang drone? Success. At least na-try. Na-testingan.
Testingan na.
Oh.
Testingan ko kataga.
That's part of the... Dili man po itong kusugatang impact kay light lang man to yung...
Konsad, dili siminto.
By the way, outside the cafe is the parking lot, and over there on top is the I Love Eden sign and their garden. We'll see in a bit, guys. Let's see kung saan kami ngayon pupunta next, but I think it's gonna rain because tingnan nyo naman yung clouds. See you in a bit, guys. I'll give you an update later. For the meantime, enjoy this view of the place. kakabalik lang namin from Eden and we're currently at SM Davao. Dito po kami kumain sa Kamay Kainan. Ito po yung mga in-order namin for today. We're currently having soup, pork sinigang. We ordered 2. At sa meal na to, meron siyang kasamang 1 piece of rice and 2 lumpia with sauce. And it's only for 169 pesos per meal. Also, we ordered an additional food, dinuguan with ginataang salad with 1 piece of rice at meron na siyang libreng 1 bowl of soup. This is our food for today. Kakain mo namin, we'll see in a bit guys. I'm super gutom. And by the way, the trip going back from Eden to SM Davao, it took us like around parang an hour yung biyahe. An hour yung biyahe namin. So we actually had a great time. Okay naman yung experience namin dun sa Eden. If you want to go check out some nature stuff like trees and just mag-unwind, you can visit that place.
Nag-watch ako ng Beyblade dun sa taas.
What's your impression, Chan, of SM
Impression-
Davao?
It's just like SM Baguio.
Were you satisfied sa food today?
I was.
Busog na talaga ako, Chan. I had 2 meals. I had dinuguan. I had
So you have to bawas?
Shanghai lumpia.
have to
I
bawas?
had ginatang salad.
I have
What did you eat?
durian. I have something else. I have
3:48 na. Magalas pa.
mga sa maning tiyan na hindi man gagabusog.
You're still not satisfied?
I'm satisfied but feeling ko later magugutom na naman ako.
Oh, hindi ka full. What you gonna buy?
Nothing. Starbucks.
Saan yung Starbucks?
Starbucks coffee.
Basta na-remember na ko na siya sa dapit sa entrance. Dagan tao din ha. Magwa kay malingkuran.
At nandito kami sa may ground floor. After this, we're gonna go find the nearest Starbucks. And I think we're gonna buy some mugs. It depends kung available siya yung may pangalan na Davao on the mug. Because we already have Boracay, Cebu. Samahan nyo kami sa aming mall tour adventure. See you in a bit. We just got out from Starbucks. Na-finish ko na po yung drink ko. I ordered the pink pomegranate the drink and it's yummy. Also, less ice. Nice yung pagka-blend ng Starbucks dito sa may SM City Davao. And it's currently raining at traffic dito sa loob. So we're gonna meet up with the driver dun sa may highway.
Julian. Go there.
Bye, SM Davao. We're not sure if we're gonna go through with our original plan, if we're gonna go to the City Hall dito sa Davao, but let's find out.
Traffic in, oh. Okay na, good.
We're still headed to our next or last destination sa May San Pedro. We will see you there. Let's go.